Now let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard kit, which is our monthly subscription kit. This is our card kit. This kit is gorgeous. Let's go over what's inside. The theme of it is greenhouse. I did put February 2025 on my Courtyard kit flyer. The flyer that you get in the kit will tell you everything that's inside. I also try to give you some card sketches on the back. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I know you can't wait to see what's inside of here. This time I've given you some different ways to use what's in the kit. When we get to it, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Let's talk about the paper that's in the kit. Wow. So we're giving you 2 specialty sheets in this kit. So we've got a beautiful green glitter, and then we've got a beautiful green like foiled finish piece of paper. We have 4 of our 100-pound colored cardstock. We've got On the Green, we've got Riverwalk, we've got Brownstone, and then we've got the Park, which is a nice lime green, and then you get a sheet of our white cardstock. You get zippered mesh project bag. So for crafting on the go, for storing items, anything that you can use the mesh zippered bag for. We've got a gorgeous sequin mix for you. Don't know if you can see in there. There's a beautiful mixture of satin finish green confetti sequins, and then they've got a beautiful array of flowers in there. So it's almost like a flower garden. This is so pretty. You're going to get a set of sticky gems. These are brand new. This is called the Greens. So we've got 3 shades of green in 2 sizes of sticky gems. Beautiful, sparkly, shimmery, shining, perfect added touch to your projects. Our stamp set in the kit is called Plant a Garden. I believe I'm holding it upside down. And it's just got these little flower vignettes with sayings. It says, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Don't go through life, grow through life. Bloom with kindness. May all your weeds be wildflowers. No act of kindness is ever wasted. And then this one down here had a misprint on the stamp set. So inside your kit, you will get the corrected stamp set that says, where flowers bloom, so does hope. So just some nice little floral sentiments to add some nice encouraging words on your cards. This month, we're giving you a full pack of pattern paper. So there's 30 sheets in here. I'm telling you, this kit is packed full of goodies. This will be available, most all these items will be available later in the month to purchase as well, but you're going to want to grab this kit while you can, and we may even sell out of these. This is Distress Tones pattern papers. So there's 15 different colors here, so you get 2 sheets of each, and let me show you how cool these are. So you don't even have to get out your inks and your sprays and all that stuff to make some awesome distressed backgrounds for your cards. So we've got a red, we've got an orange, again you get 2 of each. We've got this nice bright, almost school bus yellow. Then we've got a yellow, look at that. Got a nice light green. I'm going to make sure I'm not missing a color. There it is. We've got this beautiful teal. We've got a darker green. Nice bright blue. And these are beautiful. I can't wait to create with these. We've got a nice navy blue, purple. We're still not done, guys. It's 15 different colors in here. We've got a nice light pink. Oh, we have a dark pink. And you can't forget your neutrals. You never forget your neutrals. You just don't know when you want a nice neutral. So we've got brown, we've got black, and we've got a gray. Love these. These are so cool. They're 8.5 by 5.5. They're easy to use for all your sizes of cards, right? You've got your A2 when you cut them in half. You can make smaller cards. You can do your slimline, your mini slimline. You can do so many sizes of cards and other projects with these. This is the Distress Tone pattern papers. We've got a fun little die set for you here. This is the Fun Sentiment Banner Set 3. So if that tells you anything, there might be some other sets coming later in the month, but this is set 3 that you're going to get. And it's got happy birthday, congratulations, congrats, hello, and happy day. So there are 2 layered banners. We have the back piece and the front. So it cuts out the sentiment on the front piece, and then you can layer another color behind it, just like the image shows on the back. So that's the Fun Sentiment Banner Set 3 dies. You're going to get that in your kit. Here we go. This is the largest die set I have ever done so far. I cannot believe when I got it. Look at that. When I put the piece of 8.5 by 11 on it, look, it's just bigger than 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. I got it and I worried. I said, oh my gosh, is it going to fit in our kit box? It just does fit. Oh my. So this is our greenhouse pop-up card dies. This die will be for sale later in the month individually. It's a $40 die because it's huge. It's a huge die. It's still a great value at $40. Look how big this is. But you can get it in the Crafty Courtyard kit, $34.99. And not only do you get this die, you get all the other things I showed you. I'm going to open it up just so you can see. I had them put the dies inside. So you have a nice little place for the dies to go inside because I wanted a nice image on the packaging that shows what it looks like when it's finished. So see how you've got that nice little pop-up die. It's 3-dimensional with the layers of greenery and then the front of the greenhouse, and then you've got the backing. On the back of it, you can stamp one of those little flower sayings, or you could put one of the banner dies from that Fun Sentiment banner right across the front here. You could put one of those banners. So you could put it on the front or you could put it on the back. That's why I wanted to give you the sentiment dies. That way you have some sentiments to put with this fun pop-up card die. And on the back side of the packaging, I gave you a little bit of a tutorial on the different parts and how to piece them together. But it's fairly simple and self-explanatory. When you really start to cut them, you'll have the backing of the die. You've got the different leafy layers, but they'll even be, you'll know where to put them. We've got the front of the greenhouse here, and then all your greenery that just layers together is inside this awesome set of dies. And again, it makes that fun pop-up card die. So, what size is the pop-up card die, you may ask? It is A2 when folded flat. So it fits in your A2 size envelope when it's folded flat. So you don't even have to get a special envelope or make a bigger card. It makes an A2 size card when it's folded flat. I wanted to do that so that you can use your regular envelopes. And I wanted to bring over my card sketches because my idea was behind this is these go beyond the pop-up card. So I took parts of the die, so like this big house plant here, and I put that on a card with the Get Well Soon. Didn't use all the pop-up features. On this one, I took some of the greenery from the pop-up card die and the front of the greenhouse, and then I stamped one of those flower stamps in a circle and put it on top and just made a card like that. Here's something similar. I just took parts and pieces from the greenhouse pop-up card die and put them on a flat card. And again here with just some leaves and a simple saying from one of those stamp sets. I used some of the distressed paper on some of these, but I wanted to show you some examples of how you can take a pop-up card die that has dimension but still use it in flat layers on your cards. So don't forget to think outside the box when creating your cards, that you can use the pop-up card die parts and pieces on your other cards. It just has lots of variety that you can do with it. Thank you again so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at what's in the Pink and Main subscriptions for February 2025. You can subscribe and find out more information at pinkandmain.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.